Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Web Outdoors. Today it is very sunny out here. We got a really good weather day in January. It is pretty chilly. It's about 20-25 degrees. And as odd as it is to say, we're going to be doing some beginning landscape work for the spring season. So what we're going to be doing, we've only lived in this house about a year. I haven't got all the projects completed that I want to, but we got this area back here. There's a couple big silver maple trees, a couple pines in here, and this area was just left neglected by the previous owners. There's lots of little saplings, underbrush, leaves, tree branches. They even left some of their garbage in here. So we're going to start working towards our spring cleanup projects. We got a really nice sunny day today. We have a couple hours to work on some things. So we're going to try and get this going, get some of this cleaned up. So in the spring we can probably do some mulch, maybe some plants, a couple rocks or something like that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I know it doesn't show up on camera as much as I actually pulled and cut out of here today, but we're a couple hours into it and most of it's cleaned up. I'm just starting to burn the brush up now. This will probably be a to be continued video actually, and see what we end up doing with this when we actually hit spring. If we end up mulching all this and putting plants, or if I end up planting seed, we'll have to see what we end up doing here. But got quite a bit cleaned up. Unfortunately, we lost some of our brake, cutting so much of the tree out of there, but a lot of those branches, most of them were dead, so we really didn't lose anything because they were already dead and it was just kind of ugly. But we got quite a bit cleaned up, and please let us know in the comments what's going on in your area right now, if you're having a mild winter, and what some of your spring projects are. All right, thanks for watching guys. We really appreciate the views, the likes, and the subscribers. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share them with your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.